What is it? Is it a car? It's not a car, it's a van? Let's not touch the street, baby. Okay, that's an ant. Leave the ant alone. Leave the ant alone. Ants go marching one by one. Hurrah! Hurrah! Okay, Stony, let's go to class. Come on, baby. Bye-bye.